Okay, dear students, in the last class we have started calculus. In calculus, the first chapter in class 11, limits and derivatives. We have started limits and derivatives. In that, limits we have seen what is a limit and what will be the left hand limit, right hand limit after coinciding the limit. Okay, that we have seen. And we have also seen the algebra of limits, addition or sum of limits, multiplication of limits, division or quotients of limits, difference or subtraction of limits, and multiplication of scalar by a limits by multiplication of scalar. That also we have seen, and limit of a scalar also we have seen, and how these are different from normal functions also we have theoretically explained, but practically with examples we have not seen. Why? Because until now we have not gone for examples. That is why we don't know whether this is completely different. From completely different means not completely. In some areas it may be equal to function, some areas it is different from a function. You have to go through function only. If result doesn't yield, three cases we have seen. One is normal case. Always denominator is not 0. Numerator may 0 or may not be 0. Then one value will come. Rational function. Rational limit. Limit of a rational function. Rather we can say. First case. Second case. Denominator is 0. But numerator is not 0. Then that is undefined or limit does not exist case. Okay. That is one case. Second case. Third case. Both are 0. Numerator and denominator. At the time only we have to go for either factorization method, either standard limits, derived limits. See, standard derived limits are there for trigonometry like, and not only trigonometry, some other also are there, but in special cases we have to see. If those cases are there, directly we can write. If those cases are not there, then we have to do factorization. Factorization method you have to do, and we have to bring that case 3 from 0 by 0 to another case 2 or case 1. Case 1 is normal case, and case 2 is limit does not exist case. Okay, like that we have to do. Let us see practically. We will see 4 examples. We will see afterwards one important derivation also we will see. 0 by 0 only, but in algebra how to take this without making 0 0, even in algebra also. If that condition comes only, it is possible. That also we will see the derivation. Let us see first examples. Why? Because by seeing examples you can get concepts more precisely. Okay, now we have taken the first example. Find the limit. Limit extends to 1 x square plus 1 by x plus 100. Okay, this limit we have to find. Let us find. See, as usual, like function only we will do. Okay, see what I am doing. When we apply limit, then we should not write this limit again. Okay, and I am applying this limit. 1 square plus 1 by 1 plus 100. Okay, when you are applying this limit, then again limit extends to 1, that should not write. Okay, then 1 square plus 1 means what? 2 by 101. Do you understand this? Yes. This is answer. This is answer for this question. If you see here, there is no difference between limit or function. Like a function only we have solved. Or else we will see like a function. If our answer doesn't come, then we will go for limits like. Like that also you can think. Whatever you think, that may be. Okay. Let us go for second example. Okay. See the second example. This example is going to come 0 by 0. Then we will see how to solve this and all. Okay. Slowly we are going to understand the concepts of the limits. Okay. See, limit extends to 2 x cube minus 4x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 4. Okay. As usual, normal, like a function, we will apply. Let us see what will happen. 2 I am substituting like a function. Then we did not write limit again. Okay, x cube means 2 cube minus 4 into x square, 2 square plus 4 into 2 divided by 2 square minus 4. Okay. Okay, see what will happen. 2 cube is 8 minus 2 square, 4 into 4 16 plus 4 into 2 8 divided by 2 square 4 minus 4, that is equal to, you see, plus 16 minus 16 by plus 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0 by 0. Okay, this is the case we refer as case 3. Now case 3 has come. Okay, 0 by 0, like a normal function. See, in the last example, even with like function, answer has come. But here answer doesn't come. You see, 0 by 0 has come. 0 by 0 comes means what we have to do? Yes, we have to do factorization. Until now factorization. See, further I am going to derive one more formula. See, for that formula also speciality is there, and especially those function if comes, then only you can do that. Apply. Special cases means special cases only, not for all. Okay. In special cases we have not yet gone. Still we are in normal cases only. Normal cases how to deal? Normal cases to deal with factorization. Let us do factorization. See how I am doing. Before doing factorization, I am not going to apply the while factorization method. After doing factorization, one final result will come. That result I am going to apply. Until then I am taking these two as fx by gx. Okay. Let us take fx by gx. See how I am taking. Let fx by gx is equal to, see, like this again you repeat, x square minus 4x square plus 4x by x square minus 4. Okay. Same I have written, but fx by gx I have written. Why? Because limit I want to remove temporarily. Finally I will bring a limit. Why? Because I want to bring this after factorization some more figures or expressions or terms. Okay. You see how to proceed factorization, simply observe how I am doing. Why? Because these procedure are steps you have to take it very carefully. Which is the least power here? X. Okay, least power you take common. X I have taken. X square minus 4x plus 4 divided by this. Directly we can make this as a square minus b square, like that means x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, 2 square, x square minus 2 square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, x plus 2 x minus 2. Is it okay? Okay. Okay. Now that is equal to, okay, x square minus 4x plus 4. This now you can simply directly can tell that x minus 2 whole square. But even then what I request you, you do this factorization method like quadratic. Okay. See what will be the, this one, a into c is 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 4, 4. Then 4 factors you take, those factors should come minus 4. Okay. See, 1 into 4, no. Then 2 into 2, yes sir. 2 into 2, 4, but minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Sorry, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, but minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 4. You understand now? That is why you have to take minus 2, minus 2. The factorization method, you make like quadratic equation only. Don't go by formula directly. Okay. See what I am writing. X into x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 x minus 2. Okay. Okay. Again make this x into, you see, x I will take common, x minus 2 x minus 2. Is it okay? You see, x square minus 2x, first two terms, x square minus 2x, okay, has come. Same x minus 2 again you have to write. This is common, several times I have told you. Okay, Now minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 has to come. Minus 2x has to come means you have to keep minus 2 outside. Minus 2x plus 4. Okay. Now close this bracket. Okay. Down. Denominator x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay. Now you see what you have to write, x minus 2, x minus 2. Yes, both are x minus 2 only. X into x minus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, denominator. See, 1 x minus 2 are going to get cancelled. Is it okay? 1 x minus 2 is going to get cancelled. Then finally what will come result? X into x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you apply limit x tends to 2. Okay. Now what I am doing, you see, limit x tends to 2, x into x minus 2 divided by x plus 2, that is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0 by 4. Why 0? 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into 2, 0 divided by 4. But now you can say, what is the use like? See, definitely. Why? Because, see, 0 has not come. Denominator. Have observed now. Here earlier 0 was there. That 0 we have removed. This has become case 2 now. So, not case 2, case 1. Okay? See, case 1, denominator never 0. Numerator may be 0, may not be 0. Okay? That is. Case 2, denominator is 0, but numerator is not 0. Case 3, numerator and denominator both are 0. This you have to avoid. Numerator, denominator, both zeros you have to avoid. 0, you can make not numerator or only denominator. Okay? See how we have done this. If you do as a function, then you are going to get 0 by 0 only. But if you do as a limit, this is going to come. This is the procedure. You understand now? Okay. Let us go for third example. Okay. Okay. See the third question, third example. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 by x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. See, this is like last question only. Same, limit x tends to 2 only. But in the last question, numerator has become, in this question, denominator. In the last question it was there, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x divided by x square minus 4. Now it has become x square minus 4 by x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. See, even then, I am doing this like a new question only. You understand carefully. Why? Because we want to understand the concepts. That is why I am doing this question again. Okay. Directly I can say that earlier 0 by 4 has come. Now 4 by 0. Then this is undefined. Our limit does not exist. Like directly I can say. But I want to do clearly in front of you. Then you can understand the concept. How I am going to make this 0 by 0 concept into some other concept like. Okay. From case 3 to some other case. Okay. As usual, I am substituting. You see what will happen? I am substituting like a function. Okay. You see that is equal to 2 square minus 4 divided by 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2. That is equal to. Directly I am writing 0 by 0. Why? Because you know very well. These are going to come 0 by 0 only. 4 minus 4, 0. See, 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 minus 16. 4 into 4. Plus 16 minus 16. 0. Okay? This we know. Okay. See, this is the last question only. But some steps we will omit. Okay. When 0 by 0 comes means this is called case 3. Case 3 you have to make whether case 1 or case 2. Let us see here, making case 1 is not possible. Why? Because earlier we have seen 4 by 0 has come. Now, sorry, 0 by 4 has come. Now 4 by 0 will come. 4 by 0 means it is case 2. Okay. Okay. Let us see how to make and all. Like earlier, we will make this as gx by hx. Gx by hx is equal to x square minus 4 by x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Okay, one or two steps we will omit. Okay, directly I am writing. You see why? Because see, last question we have seen last question numerator, here denominator numerator, like. Okay, I am writing. You see, x plus 2 into x minus 2 by, okay, x into x minus 2 into x minus 2. How I have written like directly? Why? Because if you do this only will come. In last question we have done same. Why should we waste time? Okay. X plus 2 by x into x minus 2. Is it okay? Okay. Now you substitute. Then you bring again limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 by x into x minus 2. That is equal to. Okay. Now while substituting this value, then you need not write limit. 2 plus 2 by 2 into 2 minus 2. That is equal to 4 by 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 2 plus 2 4. 4 by 0. Earlier 0 by 4 has come. But because earlier this was numerator. Numerator 0, denominator 4. Okay, now numerator 4, denominator 0. Now what can you write? Limit does not exist. Or limit not defined. Both are same. Limit not defined or does not exist. Anyone you can write. Now this has become case 2. Case 1 is pure normal case. Either 0 or any value will come. But infinity like case will not come. This is like infinity case. Undefined case. Not defined. Not exist. Does not exist. Not defined. Like that you can write and close this question. Okay. Case 3 has become case 2. You understand now? Okay. Okay. One more example we will see. Then we go for important derivation. Okay. Like 0 by 0 comes means what we have to do in some special cases. Then that also we will see. Okay. Let us go for another example. Okay. See the fourth question. Example 4. Limit x tends to 2. X cube minus 2x square by x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Let us see what will come and all. If case 3 comes means again we will see how to do factorization method and all. Okay. Okay. Let us apply this input. I am giving input, you see, 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square divided by 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. Okay. Okay. See what will come. 8 minus 8 will come. Is it correct? 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 square. 2 into 4. 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Numerator is 0. But what about denominator? You see 4 plus 6. 10 minus 10. Is it okay? Case 3. Case 3 has become 2 square 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 minus 10. Okay, 0 by 0 has become. 0 by 0 means this is case 3. Then we have to go for factorization method. Factorization we will do and we will see. This we have to shift this from case 3 to case 2 or case 1 like. Okay, let us do. See how I am doing. I am taking this as gx by hx. Okay, write down. Gx by hx is equal to x cube minus 2x square. Let you have to write x square minus 5x plus 6, that is equal to, okay. Now see which is least power square, x square, then you take x square as common. Then x minus 2, is it okay? Least power x cube x square. In last question, x was the least case, that is why we have taken x common. Least power x square if you take common, x cube minus 2x square. Okay, like this it will become. This also you see. This, see here x is not there, that is why you cannot take common, but this is like a quadratic equation. You can make a factorization. Factors how? 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 6, 6. And factors we will see. 1 into 6 will not come. Okay. Even minus 1 into minus 6 also, minus 7 is going to become. That is why not going to help. Then you see 2 into 3. Yes, 2 into 3 is 6, but 2 plus 3 is 5. Then minus 5 has to come. Then you take minus minus. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Minus minus plus 6. But minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 5. You can split minus 3 minus 2. Bigger one first you write like. Okay. See how I am writing. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Is it okay? Is it okay? X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay. If I write like this, then you see what will happen. Okay, numerator will be same, x square x minus 2, but denominator is going to change. Why? Because see, x I am going to take common, x minus 3, x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x. First two terms are over. Then for second two terms, this should be there again, x minus 3. Okay. Then you see minus 2x has to come, means minus 2 you have to keep outside. Minus 2x plus 6. Minus 2x plus 6. Okay. Now write down. That is equal to x square into x minus 2. But you see x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay. X minus 2, x minus 3. Then x minus 2, x minus 2 you cancel out. Then finally what will become? X square by x minus 3. Okay. Now put comma and apply limit. You put comma. See, I am writing like this. But you don't write in your book. You have to write like this. Why? Because I don't have space. Why should I waste board space? That is why even wastage of space it will become. That is why I am writing like this. Okay. Okay. Now apply limit. Limit x tends to 2. X square by x minus 3 is equal to, now I am applying limit, 2 square by 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 square by 2 minus 3, that is equal to 4 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. Is it okay? 4 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. See, this has become case 1. From case 3 to case 1. Understand now? 4 examples we have done. We have understood concepts. Now you can tell that limits are different from functions. If you go by function only, then you are going to get 0 by d0. But if you go by limit, then you are going to get some value. Now you can say that this is the turning point or limit. Okay, slightly if you take minus 4, minus 2, sorry, minus side of 2, not minus 2, 1.99995, slightly less than minus 4 will come. Less than minus 4 means in minus bigger. Minus 5 is bigger than minus 4. Okay. And slightly if you increase 2, that means 2.0001 like, then this also is going to become slightly increased. Increased means minus 3 side it will go. Minus 4 to minus 3 side slightly. Okay. That is why this is called limit. Final result is the limit, not input. Here 2 is not limit. Minus 4 is limit. Why? Because minus 4 is output. Output is the limit. You understand now? Okay. Let us go for one important derivation. Okay. Okay. See, this is an important derivation or result or theorem or proof or whatever you take, formula. Okay. This is one important result. We will derive this. We will prove this. Then you note down and you understand it carefully. Okay. From basic level we will start and we will understand this how it has come and all. Okay. From basic level. Then you can understand easily. Then you keep it in your mind. You note down and wherever this comes, then we can utilize this. Okay. You see, limit extends to a x to the power of n minus a to the power of n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay. See, I am not writing again, but directly I am telling as a function, if you substitute a here, what will happen? A power n minus a power n, 0, a minus a, 0, 0 by 0 will come. Okay. 0 by 0 means factorization method you have to do. Okay. Factorization method how to do? See, same result if it is there, then only it is possible. Directly you can write this one without doing any factorization method. See, I am writing like this, you see here. One example also I am writing here. Okay. X to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 divided by x minus 2. Is it correct? Here n is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. Is it okay? First you observe carefully, compare. X power n, n is 4, minus a power n, minus a power n is 4, okay, a is 2, 2 power 4, x minus a, x minus 2, a is 2. Is it okay? If it comes, and also here limit extends to 2, that also you have to keep in your mind. Limit extends to 2. You understand now? Limit extends to 2. Why? Because limit extends to a. If it comes, what will write normally then? By seeing this formula, n into a power n minus 1. N is how much? 4. Into a is how much? 2. Power n minus 1 what? 4 minus 1. That is equal to 4 into 2 power 3. 4 into 8. 32. Okay. See, this is derived by limits procedure, not a function. As a function, if you substitute this 2 power 4 minus 2 power 4, 0 by 0, 0 by 0 will come. Understand now? But rather than 0 by 0, you have got 32 as a result. Is it correct? 32, you see? n 4 into a 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 cube. 8 into 4, 32. Correct only. Okay? Now, you can understand the power of the limits. Normal function 0 by 0 will come, but limits, as per limits, the value will come 32. Okay. This also we will, by fundamentally we will derive and we will see the result. Okay. See, I am removing this also. Okay. But this I want to keep. Why? Because this is required. I want to do it. Okay. How and all you are going to understand afterwards. Okay. Now you see, limit extends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. We are going to derive this. We are going to get the proof of this one. For normal case, if you apply like a function, a power n minus a power n by a minus a, 0, 0 will come. 0 by 0 will come. Okay? But we should not leave it. 0 by 0 we should not leave it. 0 by 0 is case 3. Then we have to go for case 1 or case 2 like. Now it will become case 1 only. You have seen, but practically you have seen case 1. It has become case 1. But directly we have taken this formula. But that formula how it has come under, let us see. Okay. See what I am doing now. See, I am dividing this x power n minus a power n by x minus a. See how I am doing this process. Okay. Okay, you see what I am writing? X power n minus a power n, I am dividing by x minus a. Okay, observe carefully what I am doing. This is very important result. Okay, afterwards you should not ask, sir, how it has come. But these conditions apply. Limit extends to a, x minus a, x power n, a minus n. All, if there, then only you can apply this. Okay, okay, you see, I am dividing. With what I have to multiply? X power n has to come means. Is it okay? Why? Because you see, x power n minus 1 into x. If I make automatically, here x power 1 is there, like minus 1 plus 1. Then x power n will come. Is it okay? Then x into x power n minus 1 means x power n. But minus a also you have to multiply. Okay? Minus a into again x power n minus 1 will come. Is it okay? Okay? Definitely okay. Okay, now you subtract. X power n going to get cancelled. But minus a power n, you see, you have to write like this: minus a power n, minus of minus plus a x power n minus 1. Is it okay? Okay. See, for the next term, what we have to write there top? You tell me. Now see, don't see a power n. You see this x. Why? Because x you are multiplying. If anything, if you multiply first with x, then x will come. X power n minus 1. Earlier x power n is there, n minus 1 is there. N power minus 1 means, yes sir, x power n minus 1 is x power minus 2 you have to write. Okay. Okay. See, plus, here plus is there. You see, that is why I am telling you, see only this. Don't see this. You see this, here plus is there. Then you take a plus. But here a is extra there. But here if you multiply only with x, then a will not come. That is why you have to multiply with a x power n minus 2. Is it okay? See, a x power n minus 2 into x, that is equal to a is okay, but x power n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 1. This was it is. Okay, now you multiply x into a means, see here I am writing that. Plus, okay, x into a into x power n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 1. Okay, but second term is also there. You have to multiply this also. If you multiply this, you see what is going to become? Minus a square x power n minus 2. Is it okay? I am writing like this. Or else why do one thing? See, why can't we write first this term and next that term? Why? Because see, symbol, sign has to be matched, that's all. Okay, you can write vice versa also. See, I am not writing minus a and first I am writing this one plus a x power n minus 1 first I will write. Why? Because plus will come, minus of minus plus, minus of minus. Okay, this is minus, that is why x minus x power n minus x power n got cancelled. But minus of minus plus, and now I am writing this one, a power n. Okay, now I am multiplying this a, that means a x power n minus 2 1, n minus 1. Okay, then again you see I am multiplying this plus minus minus a square n x power n minus 2. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, now you see these two are going to get cancelled, these two are going to get cancelled. Then first you write plus 1. Why? Because minus of minus plus, this you write first. A square x to the power of n minus 2 minus a power n. You see this a minus a power n goes on coming. You observe carefully. Okay, minus a power n, minus a power n, minus a power n. Okay, that you have to keep up in mind. Okay, now what to be right? What to be written in top? Now a square is there. That means what you have to write then again plus a square. x to the power of n minus 2 is there. See, when n was there, n minus 1. n minus 1 was there, n minus 2. When n minus 2 was there, n minus 3. x power n minus 3. Okay. Then you multiply like this. See, until when you are cosine multiply. Why? Because here we don't know until when we have to go. Why? Because here only n is there. You don't know. That is why what you are going to write? Plus dot 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 plus a power n minus 1 you write. See, now you ask me, sir, why a power n minus 1? Why not a power n? See, by doing so, you don't know what is the end one. That is why I have taken this example. Here I am going to show you what will come and all. And I will compare and I will show that here a power n minus 1 will come. Starting with x power n minus 1, ending with a power n minus 1 will come. Okay. Now you need not do this one also. Why? Because we have seen what is going to happen and all. X power n minus 1, x power n minus 2, x power n minus 3 goes on, it reduced. Why? Because see, n minus 1 is greater than n minus 2. Greater than n minus 3. A is increasing. You see here a power 0. A power 0 is there like that you think. A power 0 is 1. 1 is there here. A power 1. A power 2. A power 3. This also goes on increase. But up to when? A power n minus 1 only. Okay. See, this you understand 3 terms. But fourth term or last term, a power n minus 1, how it has come, you don't know. That is why I have taken this example. We will do this example, then we can understand that also. Okay. See what I am doing here. I am dividing this x power 4 minus 2 power 4 with x minus 2. Is it okay? This I am writing top again. X power 4 minus 2 power 4 by x minus 2, where n is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. Okay. I am writing top. Let us do this. Okay. Okay. See, as usual, x power 4 has to come, means x into x cube you have to write. X cube. X cube into x power 4. But minus 2x cube also will come. Minus 2x cube. Is it okay? Okay. Then what will happen? X to the power of 4, x to the power of 4 going to get cancelled. Okay. Then first you write 2x cube. Minus of minus plus. Then minus 2 power 4. Okay. Now for x power 4, x cube you are multiplied. But for x cube you have to multiply with the plus 2 is there. 2 x cube x square. X goes on reduce, you see, goes on reduce. Okay. Now 2x square into x, 2x cube. But minus 2 into 2, 4 x square. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. You see now 2x cube get cancelled, but first minus of minus plus 4x square will come here. Minus 2 to the power of 4. Is it okay? See, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4, like that only coming. Minus a power n, minus a power n, minus a power n. You compare this, that is why. Okay. Now you see 4x square is there, but x is there. Then what you have to write? Plus 4x. 4x into x, 4x square. Write down 4x square. Minus 2 into plus 4. Minus plus minus 2 into 4, 8. 8x will come. Okay. You see now 4x square get cancelled, but minus of minus 8x will come here. 8x minus 2 to the power of 4. You see minus 2 to the power of 4, minus 2 to the power of minus 2 to the power of minus 2 to the power of, continuously it is coming. Okay. Now you see 8x is there, x is there. Then you make a plus 8, that's all. 8 into x, 8x will come. Is it okay? Now this has come to one end. 8 into x, 8x. Minus 8 into 2, 16. 16 I will write 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means 16. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Okay. Now there is no more calculation. Why? Because 0 has come. 8x minus 8x 0, 2 power 4 minus 2 power 4, 0 has come. Now you can say this is your final result. When you divide x power 4 minus 2 power 4 by x minus 2, the result will be this one. X cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 8. Okay? Okay. See here 2-3 points you have to note down. What is n? N is 4. What is a? A is 2. Okay. Now you compare these two first. Then I will tell number of terms also. See number of terms, how many have come? 1, 2, 3, 4. See n is 4. 4 means n 4. Number of terms 4. Okay. That is one point. Another point you see. First term is x cube. First term x to the power of n minus 1. X to the power of 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. First term matched. Okay. Count to second term. 2, a, 2, a matched. X to the power of n minus 2. X to the power of 4 minus 2, 2 matched. Third term. Plus 4, a square. X to the power of n minus 3. Why? Because 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is there, x power 1. X to the power of n minus 3. Like that it will go. What will be the last term? Last term will be a power n minus 1. 2 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 8. You see, 3 power 3. Now we can confirm that last term is a power n minus 1, not a power n. A power n means what will come? 2 power 4, 16 will come. But that you should not take. Why? Because it doesn't come. It will come only 8. You understand now? Okay. See here 2-3 points you have to note down. By comparing, this formula has happened or not, you see. Clearly it has happened. Number of terms, you see 4 terms. N is 4 means 4 terms. Here n is means n terms like this will come. That you have to keep in mind. N terms. N is 4, 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First term x to the power of n minus 1. Last term a to the power of n minus 1. First term x to the power of n minus 1. Last term a to the power of n minus 1. These you have to compare and see. Okay. Now pause and note down this. Why? Because I am going to remove this. Why? Because I want to keep only this one. With this only I am going to derive this value. You understand now? Okay. Let us do it. Okay. I am removing remaining all. Number of terms also you must have seen. 4 terms have come. Okay. All is okay. Okay. Now I am removing this. Okay. Now see, if we divide this x power n like this, I am writing again. X power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to, this is going to happen. X power n minus 1 plus a power x power n minus 2, a square n minus 3, dash a power n minus 1 has come. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am applying limit. Okay, again. Okay, you see, limit x tends to a, and I am writing this one rather than this one. Why? Because this has become this x to the power of n minus 1 plus a into x to the power of n minus 2 plus a square x to the power of n minus 3 plus a power n minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now I am applying limit. Then I don't write this one limit. Okay. Then you send a if you send a power n minus 1 plus a into a power n minus 2 plus a square into a power n minus 3 plus a power n minus 1. Here no x is there. Is it okay? Now see, I have applied this limit a. Sorry, substituted this a. Okay. If I substitute, then limit you need not write again. You see now this has come, but this further you can calculate. Why? Because you see a power n minus 1 is okay, plus, but a into a power n minus 2 means a power 1 n minus 2, n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 1. Is it okay? n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 has come. Okay, plus, here also you see a power n minus 3 plus 2, n minus 1, plus, here also a power n minus 1. Okay, you see what happened? All a power n minus 1, a power n minus 1, a power n minus 1, a power n minus 1 has come. Okay, see, 2 a power n minus 1 comes means 2 into a power n minus 1. 3 comes means 3 into a power n minus 1. But here how many terms will come? I have already told, n terms will come. n into a power n minus 1, that is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay, in last example also I have taken n is 4 means 4 terms have come. Here n is n means n terms will come. n into a power n minus 1 will come. This is the result. You understand now? Then if this comes automatically in this form, then directly we can write n into a power n minus 1. 0 by 0 comes means like this we can do. Okay. Okay. What we do, we stop this class here. Next class, we will do some examples based on this result, formula, theorem, theory, whatever it may be. Okay. On this result, we will do some examples. Okay. Again, further concepts are there. Trigonometry we have not yet gone. Limits in trigonometry also there. Before exercise 13.1, some more concepts are there. All concepts with examples we will understand clearly. Then we go for exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.